Welcome to my projectbazaar.com.
Let's see about the project KNN query processing method in mobile ad hoc network abstract. In this paper we propose to beyond less KNN query processing for reducing traffic, local based application for mobile ad hoc network. It is common for node in machine K nearest neighbor query which search information of K nearest neighbor from the special location. Many network process technique for KNN query has been proposed for wireless sensor network. For example, the author proposed the infrastructure KNN query processing method which effective in relative KNN information with low messaging overhead since they do not require the maintenance of a network infrastructure. In this method, nodes must exchange message including node information. However, possible notable characteristics such as limitation of network bandwidth and dynamic topologies changes due to the movement of the mobile nodes. In this paper, we propose two basic method called KNN query processing method for reducing the traffic of a maintenance. High accuracy of the query result is man-led. In this method, the query issuing node first forward the KNN query using geo routing to the nearest node for the query point. Then the nearest node from the query point forward the query to other nodes close to the query point, and each node receiving the query replies with information of itself. In this process, we adopt two different approaches. In this, one is explosion and the spiral. Explosion, which is used to send the message through the explosion method, and spiral used to send in a ring type method. This is the flow of our project. There are two persons, one client and the receiver. The client will use to access the connection, and then he can view the network which has been connected, and he can select the source and destination place the message to be sent, and he can mention the query. For example, he can select the operator Airtel or Airlines or other. By using that, a group of people can be clustered into a query search method. Nearest query search method path will be selected, and then the file next process the client should select the file, and after selecting the file the hash key will be generated. The hash key will be generated according to the file name of the file, and next one is we could encrypt the file into a ciphertext, and next one is the on-time password. It will be generated automatically randomly, and it will be sent to the receiver. In the receiver side, he should open the connection and he should activate the receiver mode. Then he can fetch the password, on-time password, and he can verify it. After verifying it, he can check the condition and he can receive the next. After the on-time password, the encryption file will be sent to the receiver file, and he will fetch the hash key according to the one-time password, and he will decrypt the file, and then the acknowledgement will be sent to the client side that the file has been received, and then he can save the file, or he don't need to save or not. See the demo of a project. This is the first page of a project. First you should create your new node connection if you are a new user by selecting the node name, and you should click check node. Whether if it is a new node, it will show that you have selected create your new node. Otherwise it will show you have selected an invalid node, and then you should type the mobile number. After clicking the tab, the mobile number, location and operator signaling will be fetched automatically and displayed by typing the address. it will fetch the permanent address and the latitude and the longitude. By clicking create node, the node will be created. Next you should click node creation and then click the node detail. The detail of the node, latitude and longitude of the node will be shown, and then the node list will be created and the node connection will be established by clicking the connection. And then next, if you click choose the method, this is the page which you use to access the queries by selecting the source and the destination and the operator. This is the query used to segregate the connection, and by clicking the normal connection, the connection will be established. If you select more, the more will be selected according to the query, and then if you click query, it will choose the path one by one according to the query. The path will be displayed. By clicking choose file, you can upload your file to be sent to the destination. By selecting the file, and if you click view content, the content will be viewed. By uploading the file path will be, by clicking the key hash key will be generated for the file name, and then if you give encryption, the file encryption will be fetch information of the transaction will be shown, and if you give file content, the content will be splitted into line by line. A word will be splitted into line by line. It is called tokenization. And then if you click encryption, the words will be encrypted, and if you have to on the this is the client receiver side. If you click connection, the connection will be established, and if you click receiver code, and if you send, this is the one-time password, it will generate will be automatically. It will be random, it won't be static. We should type the one-time password correctly, otherwise it won't accept. It will show the valid message, and then you should click receive file. A file message will be displayed, and then you have to send the file. A file will be received, message will be shown, and then click the view. The encrypted file will be displayed. To decrypt the file, we should fetch the key. By using this, the key will be generated. By checking according to the key, if it is a valid key, then only it will be decrypted, and the decrypted message will be shown. Next, in this, we should click the acknowledgement to receive the acknowledgement from the receiver. If you send acknowledgement, message text has been received will be displayed. Next, the receiver can save the content in his own location. The file will be saved. That's all. Thank you.